Hi, in this video I will show how to convert CSV comma separated file to semicolon separated file. Usually CSV files are comma separated, but for some countries CSV files could be semicolon separated. So if I need convert from comma separated CSV to semicolon separated CSV, I can use my app. This is my website. I will leave link to description. To download the app, I double click on the load button to start the loading process. And then click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI. Click on more info. I'm getting the screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I click run anyway. Click on next, install. Click on yes to start installation and click on finish. I can close this and minimize this, and you can see that new app has been installed on my computer and shortcut has been created on my desktop. Now I'll double click on my shortcut to open conversion app. And conversion is like 3 steps process. In first step I will select input file, click to select input file, let's select the state CSV contains like list of United States with the region names. I'll click next step. If first row of CSV file contains column name, I will leave this checked, click on next step, and to run conversion I click on run. Now I will select a folder where a result file will be created, and this is the name of the file is okay, and I can change names of the output file if I want. I just click save to save the file. Now I can go, and if I open it into, for example, Excel viewer, because it's semicolon, it will not be displayed properly. You can see everything in semicolon and everything in basically in one column, in column A. So, but this is correct semicolon separated file, and I have app viewer that I can use for this. If I go to program file, I will leave link to this viewer into description as well. White Rock software and CSV viewer semicolon, and select this, and now I can open CSV files with this semicolon viewer. Click OK, and you can see that it's correctly displaying all data into, and I can sort this into grid. Now if I want, I can save it to different format if I want to save the semicolon file. But basically that's it. We got semicolon separated CSV we needed. That's it. Thank you.